TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update, and currently we've got a bit of a mixed bag out here. Excuse me. Excuse me there. Two of our indices are trading lower. The Russell 2000 is off 17 points, small caps, and the New York Stock Exchange is down 41. So the interesting thing about the New York Stock Exchange is when it, excuse me, when it gets to an oversold reading, one of the ways that we can make that determination is by taking a look at its advanced decline oscillator. Now, that's the panel, the second panel that's on our screen out here. And what that represents, that's taking a look at the advanced decline line, and it's created an oscillator. An oscillator is the difference between two things. In this case here, we're using exponential moving averages. The exponential moving averages that we're using are 39 and 19. The reason that we do that is those represent because of rocket science. I won't get into it, but that is it's different than the MACD. It's the same tool in essence that's being used there. But what are the names of the guys that developed the MACD tool? In any event, they selected 12 and 26, so it's just different periods that are being used here. But here's the point: when it gets down to minus 150 out here, that's the oversold reading. So, as of 1:01 in the afternoon on August the 21st, the New York Stock Exchange is officially oversold, and it has had barely a retracement out there. So these markets are really interesting. If we look at the S&P 500, the cash index out here, it's got a top that's in place. That top took place 2 days ago when it generated a bearish engulfing candle. Prices moving higher, doing less relative energy. So it effectively has a confirmed top. What the S&P hasn't done, the S&P has not broken any key levels of support. Its key level of support is really coming from the ES Mini. And that level of support is 33.42, while the key level of resistance is 33.88. And prices trading right now at 33.84 out here. Really interesting markets. When I say interesting markets, the S&P 500, it's up at its highs. It's up at resistance levels. It still has valid topping signal. New York Stock Exchange is oversold. And if we take a look at the market breadth inside the S&P 500, within the last half hour, it just crossed negative. Now, this is going to be more of an end-of-day reading. What do I mean just crossed negative market breadth? There are more instruments now trading below the bottom of a daily profile, 134 within the S&P 500, and only 133 above. Oh, just one stock. So it's just a smidgen. But stay tuned to the Trader's Edge Show. We'll try to dissect and bisect these markets out here. If you're off to start your Friday, have a fantastic one. And we look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.